The video is about getting rid of the adware type application called BounceDaily. BounceDaily is the adware from the adload family. This adware, once installed, starts to display the huge portion of really intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. If this BounceDaily adware was found on your Mac computer, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of this adware right away. So check your available applications on your Mac, find this BounceDaily, right-click on it and move it to the trash. My another recommendation is that you also additionally investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start investigating your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.